You praying for a financial breakthrough, but your checking account looks like a crime scene. I'm talking about yellow tape, overdraft fees, and witnesses afraid to speak. Listen to me. God can't bless mismanaged money. You can tithe, shout, fast, spin in circles, but if you don't know where your money's going, you're going to stay broke with good intentions. So today, we're going to talk about something everybody claims to know how to do, but few actually do. Budgeting. Don't click off. It ain't boring. It's survival. Ain't it wild how payday feel like freedom for about 36 hours? You get paid Friday, and by Sunday, you wonder who robbed you, and the only suspect is you. Budgeting ain't punishment. It's your GPS. You ever drive somewhere new with no directions? You end up in a Waffle House parking lot confused. That's how most folks live. No map, no plan, just vibes and bills. You work too hard to keep guessing. You need to tell your money where to go instead of asking it where it went. Now don't overcomplicate it. You ain't gotta be no accountant. Here's how you start. Step 1, write down what's coming in. Not what you wish was coming in. Not that $10 your cousin still owe you. I mean your real income. Step 2, track what's going out. Every bill, every subscription, every gas stop, every DoorDash run. You'll be shocked how much you spend feeding delivery drivers and not yourself. If you ever said, I don't know where all my money goes, that's your problem right there. You can't fix what you won't face. And step 3, give every dollar a job. Rent, groceries, savings, fun, everything. Even that fun money should have limits. If you got $100 for play and you spend $300, that's not fun. That's financial self-sabotage. Some of y'all love to say, God gonna provide. And you right. But he ain't door dashing your destiny. Provision still needs management. Even in the Bible, Joseph saved grain for 7 years. He ain't say, let's spend it all and pray for more wheat. Budgeting ain't lack of faith. It's proof you're ready for what you're praying for. You don't get blessed for being careless. You get blessed for being consistent. When you steward what you have, God can trust you with what's next. But if you can't manage $1,000, you're not ready for $10,000. You're going to upgrade your problems instead of your plan. Here's the quick game for your next paycheck. Take your income, divide it like this: 50, 30, 20. 50% for needs, bills, rent, gas. 30% for wants, your Netflix, your nails, your food runs. 20 for savings or debt. That's called the 50-30-20 rule. Simple. You can tweak it as you go. But the point is, your money needs an assignment. When you don't assign it, it wanders. Money with no direction ends up at brunch. Set automatic transfers, even if it's $25 a week to savings. That ain't nothing to laugh at. That's the foundation of peace. Broke people stress about problems rich people already plan for. Let me tell you something. You can't outrun poor planning. You can shout, manifest, fast, spin, cry, sage, meditate, whatever your flavor. But until you budget, you still broke with better candles. It ain't about being perfect. It's about being intentional. Even if you fall off one month, get back up and track again. Your money will start listening when you start speaking to it. So next time you pray for a blessing, make sure you got room to hold it, because God don't bless chaos. He blesses order, and order starts with your budget. All right, family, I'm Unc, and this was Budgeting 101. God can't bless mismanaged money. Subscribe if you're ready to stop renting confusion and start owning peace. See y'all next week.